Now friends, I don't want you to completely believe me what I am saying. I have just presented what I think about the riches a human being desires for, what I think my perspective about God is, about living with God riches is. I am no one to dictate anything to anyone. I am just a human being like you who is trying to share his views, his ideas, his opinions with other human beings. I perfectly go with the saying of the great Greek philosopher Socrates. I know nothing. I know nothing. I am just presenting my views, my ideas in a very healthy manner. And I just want human beings from all religions, from any community to respond back so that I also get some more wisdom and I can learn some more things from you. Sharing ideas, opinions in a very healthy manner, discussing also would lead us to a less stressful and a less chaotic society. Because everyone, normally people say this is right, that is right. I am not saying I am right, but as a human being I feel as my duty, because I believe in God. I believe in God of all religions. I believe there is some supreme power out there, and I believe that I am going to die one day. Death is inevitable. So, as a human being with full belief in God, I feel this is what God would want from us, to be rich. Obviously, human beings have evolved from the stone age to fire, to power, electricity, now internet. But God richness is an important attribute which truly should be a part of our lives if we truly believe in God. I believe in God, I believe in His superpower, in His supreme power, because I know that once I die, I don't know what's going to happen. But death has to be there, and I live with this realization that at my last breath, I am going to count something which I truly believe from my heart. I said it out. And this is what I truly believe from my heart. Again, I am a human being. I can be wrong. I can be, I might not be having the perfect ideas. That is why I have shared this with you. I would like you to throw your light, your wisdom on me and to many others who might contribute to this platform. The richness model, I want to be rich and I want to be God rich. Balance has to be there.